In today's video, I'll teach you how to play NYT games. So if you want to play the NYT games, it is actually very simple. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link nytco.com/games. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll directly be led to the games interface of NYT. From this platform, you'll be able to play games free of cost online and you do not even have to create the account. So what you have to do is simply scroll down. You'll be able to find this section for our daily games. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find this option for view all games. Click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be redirected to the new tab. In the new tab, you'll be able to see all the games available over here. You can play the game according to your choice. You'll be able to see wide variety of games like spelling bee, Wordle, pips, trance, etc. Find the game that you would like to play. After you do that, click on the play option that you can see on that particular game. For example, I've selected Sudoku over here. If you also want to play it, scroll down. You'll be able to see various options over here, easy, medium, hard. Click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll also be able to see the tutorial. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll also be able to see the preview of the game. Now you can play the game. Simply go ahead and play the game according to the rules. So like this, you'll be able to play games on NYT. So that is how you play NYT games. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.